All right, let's get started. The usual disclaimers, audio quality might not be amazing. I've got a 16-inch MacBook Pro right here that is spinning because I've got multiple cameras running. So that's that. And in the room over, my kids are sleeping with a sound machine. I don't think I can hear it, but you might. And then the mic is not anything crazy special. It's a Rode NTG 3. Anyway, this is Jules from Zambumon and Rama Foundry with lubed and filmed milkshake switches. Not milkshake, banana split. Getting my dessert switches mixed up. Banana splits, lubed and filmed. I thought I might have over-lubed some of the switches, but even in just a day of usage now, it seems like it's evened out, so I'm not sure. And then we've got that on the brass plate with Nautilus keycaps, Duroc V2 stabs, which also I just disassembled and reassembled again for the second time because they just weren't tuned. So I think they're a little better now. Not perfect, but better. Yeah, I think that's that. So to start off, you've got like, oh shoot, I should give you, I don't have a mouse to click because I'm a trackpad guy, but we can do this. Does that help? Or maybe even a, so I think these are great. This is okay. I don't love it. This pretty good, not perfect. And then all right, let's see if we can get a test going. Let's see. There we go. All right. We're in quote mode, medium, got our tags on. Yes, okay, let's see. Oh no. Not bad. I'm finding that like when I'm typing fast, I'm not bottoming out as much, which I guess is nice. Some of that I feel like, I don't know. I'm still kind of on the fence here with whether or not I like how the lube and film turned out on this setup. But I like the feel of it. For context, I had a different Rama Jules a couple weeks ago, and I built that one with these same switches, but before they were lubed, so it was just plain linears, and obviously a little harsher bottom out, a little more pingy or clacky, but it was nice and solid, and it's the first premium board I had used, and so now I've got basically the same board, just in a different color. Same switches, but they're lubed and filmed, and so I think I'm mentally comparing them probably more than I should. But that being said, that is that, and I guess we can do one more sound test. much worse. Louder, but worse typing. Had 2 errors and only 86 words per minute, but it is what it is. All right, that's that.